Hey there, Resilience Rockstars. Welcome to Absolute Security's Chromebook Management Made Easy. Are you tired of flipping between tabs, consoles, and spreadsheets just to figure out who's using what, where, and when? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First up, reporting. You know how those other companies sometimes give you a one-size-fits-none report? With Absolute, you can customize columns, save your own reports, and see all your Chrome, Mac, and Windows devices all in one place. Want to know who's been using a Chromebook lately? We've got a recent users field. No more guessing if it's still with Jimmy or migrated to his cousin's house. Wondering when your fleet will turn into digital pumpkins? Check out the auto update expiration field and plan your device refreshes before the magic runs out. Our extension status lets you know what's going on with your Chromebooks. Pending means the device is waiting for someone to log in, but don't worry, you can still freeze it or mark it missing. Installed means everything's good. The extension's there, the user's logged in, and you are ready to unleash the full power of Absolute. Has that Chromebook reached the end of its journey with Absolute? Disabled means the device has been unenrolled. We won't take it personally. Ever wonder if your Chromebooks are actually being used or just collecting dust? Our device usage reports show you who's using what, when, and how much. Web usage? We've got that too. See which apps are actually being used. Who's bypassing the web filter? Nice try, kids. And even justify your shiny new web app purchases. As a bonus, some districts even use this data to verify student attendance if they have to log in remotely. Lost a device? No problem. Our geolocation can help you track it down, whether it's at school, at home, or grandma's house, I swear. Want to set boundaries? Build a geofence and get notified if a device leaves a certain campus. Many districts draw a boundary around their disciplinary schools since those devices aren't supposed to go anywhere. Or if you're feeling dramatic, set up a rule to freeze automatically if, say, the device leaves the country. Because it would be a terrible shame if you had to go someplace exotic to retrieve that Chromebook, right? Need to send a message to a bunch of end users all at once? Maybe it's, school's closed for snow. Or, hey, remember to return your device. It's easy with Absolute. You can even request information back from the end user. And if you need to freeze a device completely, our freeze doesn't just turn your Chromebook into a useless brick. The end user can still log in to see your message. And you get their login information and location for easy retrieval. Want to know how to do all this cool stuff and more? Check out the Absolute Security YouTube channel and the K-12 playlist for industry insights, best practices, and how-tos. Until then, keep calm and Chromebook on with Absolute.